Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website installation on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your web hosting plan. And next to the website you want to delete its installation for or on, click on this dashboard button. Now go to Website, then select Auto Installer and wait a moment. Here you will see the installed applications for this website. In this case, it's a WordPress installation. And to delete this installation, it's simple. Just click on these little three dots and select Delete. Here, select what you need to delete. For example, you can delete simply the application. You can also delete installation files, and you can also delete the database. Click on Delete. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And you can also delete the database. Click on Delete. And as you see, my website or my WordPress application was uninstalled successfully. Just don't forget to wait this moment before closing this window. And WordPress was uninstalled successfully for my case. And this is how to delete a website installation on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.